Hello trader, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the fractal CFDS bands indicator, and I'll show you step by step how to use it to take perfect entries and win trade. This indicator was introduced by Bill Williams, and it helps us identify support and resistance zone in the market. If you want daily binary options signals, make sure to join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Get free signals, smart analysis, and powerful strategy. Let's start today's video. First of all, let me show you my account. This is my real account, and you can see my current balance here. We select a currency pair, and then we apply the fractal CFDS bands indicator. Now I set my chart time frame. In this setup, I analyze using a higher time frame for clarity, and then I set my trade expiry to 1 minute. This allows me to take quick entries based on strong confirmations. I open the market and select a currency pair. In this example, I'm using pairs like Euro to US dollar. Always try to choose a pair with a good payout and clear market move. The price breaks the upper band. A strong bullish candle closes above it. This gives us a clear confirmation signal. At this point, I take a buy trade. As you can see, the trade closes successfully in profit. Today, we will go through the fractal CFDS bands indicator in detail, which was introduced by Bill Williams. This indicator helps us identify support and resistance zones in the market when the price moves outside the bands. It gives us a confirmation of the trend. First, we select a currency pair. Then we apply the indicator. Once the price breaks the band and gives proper confirmation, we take our entry. As you saw, I entered on a strong breakout, and the result was successful. Here we are trading on Canadian dollar to Japanese yen. The market gives another strong move. Price again breaks the upper band. Momentum continues up. I take another buy entry. I never take random trade. I always wait for confirmation. This second trade also closes successfully in profit. If you want to learn more about live trading, accurate signals, and VIP strategies, make sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description.